Have you ever looked up to watch a drone flying by and thought, wow, I wish I had one of those? Drones used to be the toys for tech lovers and investments for the corporations, but they're becoming tools for real work as photographers, real estate agents, and even YouTubers are using them every day. The drone market is growing bigger every year, and this year isn't an exception, with new drones being released for the public to capture stunning aerial views. In this video, we will talk about 5 drones that cost more than most people's cars. That's right, we're exploring drones with price tags exceeding $10,000. But here's the million-dollar question. Or should I say the $10,000 question? Are these sky-high prices justified, or are you just paying for bragging rights? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether these premium flying machines are worth your hard-earned cash, or if you should keep your wallet firmly on the ground. Let's take off. First up, we have the DJI Matrice 600 Pro, and this beast will set you back around $15,000 to $18,000 depending on your configuration. Now, before you spit out your coffee, let me explain why this hexacopter commands such a premium. The Matrice 600 Pro isn't just a drone, it's a flying film studio. This 6-rotor powerhouse can carry payloads up to 13.2 pounds, which means you can mount professional cinema cameras like the RED Epic or Canon C300. We're talking about the same cameras used in Hollywood productions. What makes this drone special? First, the redundancy. With 6 rotors, if one motor fails, this thing will still fly safely home. That's crucial when you've got a $20,000 camera hanging underneath. The A3 Pro flight controller provides rock-solid stability, and the integrated Lightbridge 2 system gives you crystal clear HD video transmission up to 3.1 miles away. The modular design is brilliant. You can swap out gimbals, cameras, and even add RTK modules for centimeter accurate positioning. Battery life? You're looking at about 16 minutes with a heavy payload, which might seem short, but remember, this isn't your weekend hobby drone. Who should buy this? Professional filmmakers, industrial inspectors, and anyone who needs to carry serious camera equipment. If you're shooting commercials, documentaries, or need precision aerial surveying, the M600 Pro justifies its price through sheer capability and reliability. The verdict? For professionals, absolutely worth it. For hobbyists, that's a lot of money for weekend flying. Next up is the FreeFly Systems Alta 8, starting around $17,000 and quickly climbing, depending on your setup. This is where things get serious. We're talking about the drone of choice for major film productions. The Alta 8 is an 8-rotor beast designed with one goal: carrying heavy cinema cameras with uncompromising stability. We're talking about payloads up to 20 pounds, which opens up possibilities for cameras like the ARRI Alexa Mini or Sony FX9. What sets the Alta 8 apart is its innovative inverted gimbal design. The camera hangs below the drone, giving you unobstructed 360-degree views with no propellers in your shot. This design also provides better stability since the camera acts as a pendulum, naturally dampening vibrations. The build quality is absolutely phenomenal. We're talking about aircraft-grade aluminum construction, carbon fiber arms, and a modular design that lets you swap components quickly. The flight time varies dramatically based on payload. You might get 25 minutes with a light camera or 8 minutes with a heavy cinema setup. But here's what really justifies the price: reliability and support. FreeFly has built a reputation in Hollywood for drones that just work. When you're on set with a crew of 50 people and burning through $10,000 per hour, your drone better not fail. The Alta 8 also features advanced flight modes like coordinated turns that keep the camera level during banking maneuvers, something that separates professional tools from consumer toys. Who should buy this? This is strictly for professional cinematographers, rental houses, and production companies. If you're shooting Netflix series, major commercials, or high-end music videos, the Alta 8 is your tool. The verdict? In the professional film world, this drone pays for itself quickly. The reliability and image quality justify every penny for serious productions. The DJI Inspire 3 at around $16,000 to $18,000 represents the cutting edge of integrated cinema drone technology. This isn't just an evolution of the Inspire 2, it's a complete reimagining of what a cinema drone can be. What makes the Inspire 3 revolutionary is its full-frame 8K imaging system. The X9-8K air gimbal camera features a custom-built sensor that can shoot 8K video at 25 frames per second in Cinema DNG or 8K at 75 frames per second in Apple ProRes RAW. We're talking about full-frame cinema quality that rivals dedicated cinema cameras, costing significantly more. The transforming design remains, but it's been completely refined. The aerodynamic improvements reduce air resistance, allowing for a maximum dive speed of 33 feet per second and improved maneuverability. Flight time extends up to 28 minutes, giving you more time to capture that perfect shot. But here's where it gets interesting. The dual configuration system. You can switch between 360-degree pan mode for full rotation and tilt boost mode that allows 80-degree upward shooting without obstruction. This flexibility is unprecedented in the cinema drone world. The O3 Pro transmission system is a game changer, providing up to 9.3 miles of range with 1080 x 60 FPS live feeds and ultra-low 90 milliseconds latency. Both the pilot and camera operator get crystal clear feeds simultaneously, enabling complex coordinated shots. The integrated RTK positioning provides centimeter-level accuracy, crucial for repeatable shots and precision work. Combined with Waypoint Pro, you can execute complex automated flight patterns with surgical precision. Who should buy this? Professional cinematographers, high-end content creators, and production companies that need full-frame 8K quality. This is for serious filmmakers who refuse to compromise on image quality. The verdict? The Inspire 3 represents the pinnacle of integrated cinema drones. If you need full-frame 8K quality with the convenience of an all-in-one system, the price is justified by the unprecedented image quality and professional features. Now for something completely different, the SenseFly EBX. This isn't your typical quadcopter. It's a fixed-wing drone that starts around $14,000 and represents a completely different approach to professional drone work. The EBX is designed for one primary mission: large-scale mapping and surveying. While quadcopters hover and maneuver, this fixed-wing aircraft efficiently covers massive areas. We're talking about mapping up to 1,235 acres in a single 90-minute flight. What justifies this price? Efficiency and accuracy. The EBX can achieve ground sampling distances as low as 1.5 centimeters per pixel, providing incredibly detailed orthomosaic maps and 3D models. This level of precision is crucial for construction, mining, agriculture, and environmental monitoring. The drone features interchangeable cameras, including RGB, near-infrared, and thermal sensors. You can literally see crop health, detect heat signatures, or create detailed topographical maps with centimeter accuracy when paired with RTK PPK systems. But here's the real value proposition: automation. You plan your flight on a computer, throw the EBX into the air, literally, hand launch, and it follows GPS waypoints autonomously. It even lands itself automatically. One operator can map areas that would take ground crews weeks to survey. The build quality reflects its professional mission. We're talking about reinforced foam construction that can handle rough landings, modular sensors that swap out quickly, and weather resistance for challenging conditions. Data processing happens through SenseFly's eMotion software, which handles flight planning and Pix 4D integration for creating professional deliverables like orthomosaic maps, digital surface models, and point clouds. Who should buy this? Surveying companies, agricultural consultants, mining operations, construction firms, and government agencies. If your business involves mapping, monitoring, or measuring large areas, the EBX transforms your workflow. The verdict? For mapping applications, this drone can literally pay for itself in a single large project. The time savings and data accuracy make it invaluable for professional surveying work. Finally, we have the DJI Matrix 300 RTK, starting around $13,000 and representing the pinnacle of industrial drone technology. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of what professional drones can do. The M300 RTK features an incredible 55-minute flight time, which is game-changing for industrial applications. That extended endurance comes from DJI's new battery technology and aerodynamic efficiency improvements. But flight time is just the beginning. This drone can carry dual payloads simultaneously. Imagine running thermal and visual cameras at the same time, or combining a spotlight with a zoom camera for search and rescue operations. The obstacle avoidance system is revolutionary, using 6 directional sensors to detect obstacles in all directions, including upward-facing sensors. Night flights become possible with integrated auxiliary lighting and enhanced low-light performance. For enterprise applications, the M300 RTK includes advanced features like health management system that monitors component status in real time, AirSense ADS-B receiver for commercial aircraft detection, and IP45 weather resistance rating. The RTK positioning system provides centimeter-level accuracy, crucial for precision mapping, inspection, and surveying applications. Combined with the DRTK2 mobile station, you get survey-grade positioning anywhere. Smart features include automated flight patterns for tower inspections, waypoint missions that can be repeated precisely, and AI-powered active track for following subjects automatically. Who should buy this? Public safety agencies, utility companies, inspection services, services, and large enterprises needing reliable, long-endurance aerial platforms. This is the drone for serious industrial work where failure isn't an option. The verdict? For industrial applications, the M300 RTK's reliability, endurance, and advanced features justify the investment. It's not just a drone, it's a professional tool that can transform business operations. So let's break this down. We've looked at 5 drones ranging from $12,000 to $18,000, each serving different professional markets. The Matrice 600 Pro and Alta 8 dominate cinema applications, with the Alta 8 commanding a premium for Hollywood-level productions. The Inspire 3 bridges professional and prosumer markets, offering cinema capability at a more accessible price point. The EBX represents specialized fixed-wing efficiency for mapping applications, while the M300 RTK provides industrial-grade reliability for enterprise operations. Here's the key insight. These aren't consumer products with inflated prices. Each drone solves specific professional problems that can generate significant returns on investment. A single commercial film project can pay for an Alta 8. A large surveying contract justifies an EBX purchase. Industrial inspection contracts make the M300 RTK profitable quickly. The common thread? These drones save time, reduce risk, and enable capabilities impossible with traditional methods. That's where the value proposition lies. So, are drones over $10,000 worth it? The answer depends entirely on your use case. For hobbyists and casual users, absolutely not. You can get incredible footage and enjoyment from consumer drones costing under $2,000. But for professionals whose livelihoods depend on aerial capabilities, these premium drones aren't expenses. They're investments. The reliability, performance, and specialized features directly translate to business value. The question isn't whether you can afford these drones. It's whether you can afford not to have them if your business requires their capabilities. If you're a professional photographer, filmmaker, surveyor, or inspector, these tools can transform your business. If you're flying for fun, your money is better spent elsewhere. What do you think? Are you convinced these premium drones justify their prices, or do you think the industry has lost its mind? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into cutting-edge technology. Until next time, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next video.